Hi friends, welcome to AI Minute Talks 6. Toadies News is all about unraveling the future. Explore the revolutionary world of AI with Robert Downey Jr. Here, Robert Downey Jr., renowned for his iconic portrayal of Tony Stark in the Marvel Cinematic Universe, is also a fervent advocate for harnessing AI and robotics to safeguard our planet. 1. Downey Jr. is the brains behind the Footprint Coalition, a visionary venture committed to leveraging AI and robotics for environmental restoration and carbon emission reduction. 2. The Footprint Coalition has an ambitious agenda, including the launch of a platform powered by AI designed to assist individuals in curbing their carbon footprint. 3. While acknowledging the potential pitfalls of AI, Downey Jr. firmly believes that the advantages of this technology far outweigh the risks. 4. The AI landscape is ever-evolving, characterized by a continuous influx of fresh developments and trends. 5. If you're eager to delve deeper into the realm of AI, there's a wealth of resources at your disposal, from podcasts and books to online courses. Join us in this captivating journey through the world of AI. Stay tuned for more insightful updates. Subscribe now to stay informed.